Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you 5 easy methods to get your first 100 subscribers in 1 week. Now I literally growing this account from a 0 to 100 subscribers in just 1 week. So I'm going to show you 5 important tips that you may need to know in order to grow your account. So just stick around. Now before I get into the video, I just want you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube page and Instagram. It's called YouTubers Jam. So the link to that page is in the description below. So you can actually go on it and follow the page. Link to everybody's channel is down in the description below. Yeah, so now let's get straight into the video. Now the first thing that you need to do is to promote your channel. I mean, tell your family members, tell your friends, tell all the people that you know that, hey, I have this YouTube channel going on and I'm asking you to actually share it for me. I mean, if they consider as your friend or family, they will actually share it. And you also have to promote yourself by posting it on your Instagram, on your Twitter, on your Facebook, and all the social media platforms that you can think of just to get your channel out there. Now the next thing that you can do is actually sub for sub. Well, I don't really want to call it sub for sub, but it's actually sub for sub. I mean, you can go on like Instagram and type in small YouTubers and you'll find like small people that is trying to grow like you, and actually like DM them and say, hey, can you subscribe to my channel? And they will actually subscribe back, and you can go on their channel and subscribe and leave a comment, and they actually do the same. So that way you can actually gain new subscribers and make new friends. Well, I'm not really advising you to try this on YouTube because it's against their policy, and YouTube will see this comment as a spam and it will not show up under their video. So I'm not advising you to do this any at all on YouTube. So try other social media where you can gain other subscribers. Now the next thing that you want to do is actually comment on videos. Yes, so actually go on YouTube and search for a related topic that is in your niche, and look for, just go on the filter and click on the filter and go on recent and look for small people that is doing the same thing as you, and like leave something nice, leave a nice comment like hey, what camera do you use, what software did you use to edit your video, and stuff like that. So most likely you get a response from that person and they'll actually subscribe to you and you will get a response. But the next thing that you need to do is to set up your profile. People need to know what you're about, right? Set up your profile, get a good banner, get a good profile picture, and do not use something like from 5 years ago. Get it well edited so that it may look presentable, that people can actually attract to it and actually subscribe to your channel. Set up your profile in a unique way that yes, people see it and say, yeah, I would like to subscribe to this channel because it has some great look. And next thing you want to do is to customize your thumbnail so that it look presentable. I'm not saying that you are going to set thumbnail that is clickbait and person actually gonna click on it and say, what is this, and just click off back, because that will mash up your watch time and such like that. Now the next tip is, which is tip number 5, is to analyze your data. Know the type of content that your audience will most react to, right? And try to put out more of those content. Now what you also need to do is to analyze your keywords so that when someone is searching for a topic, it might actually find your content. Put out the best set of keywords so that you can rank in your search result. Now analyze where your most viewers are coming from, where your traffic are coming from, and how you can maximize that to get more people coming to your channel. So if you're interested in to grow more on YouTube, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel to get the latest update and info and how you can maximize and get more subscribers for your channel. Peace.